pressing these out was, again, we got the big bang, big significant emotional event. Going back in, I did put some Fillwood grease on the inside of here, just a light film. The magic to any drill press, or excuse me, hydraulic press operation is having all of the little standoffs or pieces and parts. Here I just had to raid my socket drawer to see what I could find. So the bearing races that I used to get it out, they did not provide enough stability around the base, right? It would have been cattywampus, and where this sits in there, this whole lower control arm would have flopped down inside of here. So this is, I think, my best option. So I got it hand snug. Oop, you saw where I just moved it. So we're gonna go live without a net here. I have what I believe to be all lined up, and it appears somewhat level on this side and somewhat equal on that side. So we're going live without a net. Here we go. Nice easy pressure, and if I feel too much resistance, I will stop. And it looks like it's going in somewhat evenly. Maybe, oh, by the way, you definitely want to be on the outer race here. You saw when I pushed it out, when I was pushing on the inner bearing and it was pushing it through the outer race. Yeah, that's a hard no on reinstallation. So you always want to be on the outer race, by the way. A little helpful hint from your Uncle Lair. So it looks like we're going in. It is. Whoa. Did Papa break that? Damn it. Ah. All right, here we go again. Okay, to say that was a significant emotional event would be an understatement. So I guess I had everything not aligned perfectly, and you can see the home use kit here. The stinking arbor slides around. I am going to make a little home kit to try to keep this, take up this gap and keep this as straight as possible. But you can see I've put some dents on the back side of here and on the back side of this guy, but there's no cracking or anything like that, so we should be okay. I also, when I was installing the snap ring, I moved it around a couple of places just to make certain the bearing is seated well, and I got my little pick and my fingernail, and there is no gaps all the way around this side of the race as well, where it sits inside the arm, and the snap ring snaps in at multiple locations. So I'm fairly confident that guy is going to hold. Also, there is no rubber grommet for this guy. I guess maybe those could potentially work, but not in this particular application. It still would get in there from flexing around. So I'm gonna get the other one done. Hopefully it won't pop out of there like this one did. So let's get after it. I'm gonna chalk that other one up to corrosion issues, because this guy is almost going in with hand pressure, to be honest with you. I'll make certain we're at least lined up here for the best possible success. Let's try to get it lined up a little better here. It's all about the tooling, right? Alright, we're going to get her started. Let's send her home. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. That's how it's supposed to go in. Okay, and we're going to step it down. We're going to verify here. We don't want to crack our inner race, but I think that's seated already. Yeah, This one went so much better. I can see the snap ring is even all the way around. So yeah, this is not going to be a problem at all. So let's get this guy in. I don't know if I can do this vertical. We're going to give it a shot. Put you through the whole process here. All right. Again, push it in. Oh, that guy doesn't want to go in, but we'll help it in. Oh, come on now. Oh, I'm being a little booger. All right. Let's try it again. It appears to have gone in there. No? I don't think so. I'm not convinced. All right. I think she's in. That one was too easy. All right, yeah, there's definitely corrosion on that other one. So with that, there we go. You have, well, I have just rebuilt my lower control arms with new bearings. Again, give you the numbers. FK COM 12T for Teflon, F2 FIT. And there's the barcode if you want the barcode. And they're made in USA, which is actually kind of surprising. So that's pretty cool. With that, 1/9 out, and we'll get those installed when we get the front ones. So one last little chuckle here. My home use hydraulic press came with that nice little cover for it. So when you're not in use, right? So it did give me shades of thoughts of another movie, if you will, always movie quotes, of what that reminded me of. So with that, 1/9 out.